Yo, it's your boy JJ Polema Vizo Mfuge Mfano Tema Tortos Monday to Sunday. Wait, okay. Today we're gonna be doing a blind date. Yeah. Please like and subscribe to our video. This will be our first video, so like it won't be that perfect. We're trying, okay, yeah. So I'm gonna ask them questions, maybe about 5 questions. Okay, I'm gonna start. Girl, who must I start with? Girl or boy?
Ladies first.
Okay, ladies first. To show, okay. What ended your last relationship?
Taxi.
What made you?
Taxi.
Little. Okay. Lena.
The person that I dated before was not interested.
Was not interested.
Yeah.
Okay. So, okay. Girl, so which means like I'm gonna ask you this question. Okay, like the person that is next to you, like you see, do you feel like he's your type?
No.
And yeah. Also not.
Yeah.
It's also a no.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
I'm please be honest. My friend. Be honest, my honest friend.
You say please be honest.
Yeah, I'm honest. I know.
Sure.
Sure.
Deep down from your heart.
From my heart straight. Yeah.